Kia ora, Islanders, and welcome to another VincentVision. Today we are at Volcano Bay here at Universal, and we're just having a beautiful spring day at Florida's best water park. We're just having fun, taking it easy, doing some slides, having some food, looking around at the stores, taking you guys along with us here at Volcano Bay. So welcome to the latest episode of VincentVision. Wachow!
You should really put on some sunscreen.
Right. It is about time. We should put on some sunscreen.
Hey everybody, welcome to VincentVision. We're here at Volcano Bay. Look at that beautiful volcano over there. Look at my big old floppy hat. We got here at about 10 o'clock, right when the park opened up. This park opens about 30 minutes early for on-site Universal hotel guests. We just popped in right at 10 and we got our usual spot here right on the beach. I think for Volcano Bay, if you want to have a good time here, it is super, super important to get here early. That's going to let you do two things. The first is get a good spot at whatever beach you're interested in. Volcano Bay is gigantic. There's a bunch of different places to rest your towels and your gear. And two, get in line for the Krakatoa Aqua Coaster. This is the most popular slide at Volcano Bay. As soon as you get your Tapu Tapu, as soon as you're in the park, just go straight over there, clock in your time, and that is how you're going to be able to ride one of the best slides anywhere without having to wait very long. Seriously though, if you have never been here before to Volcano Bay and you've come to Universal before, I would 100% recommend a trip at some point in the future. There's a lot of places, a lot of water parks that aren't like this. This is gigantic, it's beautiful, it's all sand. It gets busy, don't get me wrong, this place gets pretty busy, but I think it is a perfect combination of relaxation, thrilling slides, fun slides. It's also just so beautiful. Like, this place is a postcard. You would never be able to tell that this is like literally right by the highway. It's gonna be a great day here at Volcano Bay. I'm ready to have fun. We're ready to take you guys along with us. Let's get this party started. It's time to hit the waves. Ride some rides, ride some slides. We got our phones with us though here. You can bring these with you and we'll just hold on to these as we go around. I would say try to put away what is like absolutely essential, because the less the better. There are small little lockers tucked away in the back of the locker banks that are much cheaper than the big lockers. So that's what we're gonna do, because we were able to fit everything we need to
In the Lulu.
in the Lulu. So let's put these guys away, put the camera away, and get ready for some slides here at Volcano Bay. We are going really fast. So we were able to knock out Krakatoa, some of the tube slides, and jump into the lazy river for our first half of the day here at Volcano Bay. Pretty successful run, but now it is time to have some food. Today we are trying Wachow Eats, and we got some pretty tasty food for lunch. I got the island chicken salad. This is a chicken salad with coconut cream, cantaloupe, some pineapple. It looks super delicious. And Ellison got the foot-long pretzel dog.
Pretzel dog. It has pineapples, peppers, onions, bacon, and pretzel bun.
So lunch is great. Volcano Bay, in my opinion, has some of the best quick service food in all of Universal, honestly. Something that we've recently gotten turned on to as well, which we know is popular. It just took us a long time to get around to it, are the Coke Freestyle cups. We bought one for ourselves a couple days ago, and now we can bring this to the park whenever we want to refill and have basically soda and drinks. Oh my gosh, it's raining, but not really because it's just the top of the volcano doing that. We can use this cup here to have soda throughout our time here at Volcano Bay or any Universal park. Now we're walking through the volcano to get back to our seats. This is a cool walkway under the volcano that I think not a lot of people use. I don't know how far I can get. Oh, it's not too bad.
It's really loud.
It is really loud in here. Yeah, not taking my camera through that. I always thought it'd be so cool to rent one of these cabanas for the day, especially the ones right here in the middle of the park. You get to have your own little private area with servers who come bring you food, and as an added bonus, you actually get to get in line for the slides with your own kiosk over there instead of having to walk around the whole park to get a spot in line. It also comes with towels and your own personal locker. This is a really, really great thing to have if you're spending the entire day at Volcano Bay because they can be pretty hefty in price, especially where they're located. And I can imagine the ones here, right in the center of the park, are a little bit on the higher end as far as price goes. There's so much to do here at Volcano Bay. We're not going to do too much of it here today. It is a little busy, and sometimes you don't want to climb 208 steps to the top of a almost 200-foot tall volcano to do some fun slides, but that's okay. That's okay. We can always come back. And even if you're not a super big slide person, there's so much to do at Volcano Bay. At least so many places to relax and take it easy. Like, I just love sitting in that gigantic wave pool right in front of the volcano. It is so nice. The water is always like the perfect temperature. The waves are fun. And even just like the fast river, the lazy river, there's all the different pools all around. There are so many opportunities to relax and be in the water. And of course, a whole bunch of places to lay out here as well. You're definitely getting your sun here at Volcano Bay. So please wear sunscreen while you're here, and bring a hat like me if you're going to be walking around all day. Unless you want to get tan. Do whatever you want. Are we getting ready to get on out of here, Ellison?
Yeah, it's hot, and it's 4 o'clock. We spent a good chunk of the day here, like 5 hours.
Yeah, we got here at 10.
Yeah.
Show off that cool shirt. Look at that retro vintage Universal Studios shirt.
It's your shirt.
Escape reality. I've been to Volcano Bay since it opened, and I gotta say, the way all these plants have grown and really filled in this place is incredible. This is such a beautiful water park. Before we head on out of here, we're taking a little peek into the Waturi Marketplace, checking out all the merchandise they have here at Volcano Bay, because they actually like a lot of the stuff that they sell here. This is pink grapefruit candle. We love. Oh, it smells good. We love all these candles that Universal sells. I don't think these are like Universal candles specifically. These are like the Universal ones, but even then, this is the Magic Candle Company. More of those guys. Over here, what's this one?
Surf's Up.
Surf Wax. Oh, Surf Wax. Let's see. That is nice. If you want a sun shirt here, it's got 50 SPF protection. Volcano Bay.
Cute hat.
Yeah, that is a cool hat.
Simple.
Yes, super simple. We love simple. I don't mind this either.
No, there's nothing on
It's
the
like
back.
a sun shirt, this little logo here.
Yeah.
I think that's very cool.
Again.
Yep.
Simple.
We love simple merchandise. It is my backpack. The Dakine brand, Dakine, I'm not sure. It's really great. It has served us well. We'll try. Let's see. Maybe today's the day. No.
No.
They never have Ellison. They never have Vincent either. It's always just... They got Victor. Victor's got all the keychains in the world that he wants. But Vincent's never got nothing. Yeah, I like that.
Oh, even like the retro postcard.
Yeah, I like that one too. Volcano Bay, but I don't like it says water theme park on the bottom. Simple little logo. I like it. It's kind of soft too. And that is it for Volcano Bay. Bye-bye. See you around at the next one. Time to get out of here. Bye to our little tapu tapu for the day. See ya. Before I get out of here, I gotta wash my feet. Just get the sand off. I know they're here for decoration, but I also think they're here for this. Like they gotta be. Whoop. We gotta do one soon, but if you're staying at Cabana Bay, you actually have a walkway to Volcano Bay, which is pretty amazing because the hotel is like right there. Well, that is gonna do it for our little Volcano Bay pop-in today. Hope you had fun hanging out with us on this wonderful Volcano Bay day. Thank you guys for watching another Vincent Vision. We hope you had fun having fun with us. If you haven't already, please be sure to like and subscribe for more Universal and theme park videos. It's always a great day at Volcano Bay. Wouldn't you agree, Allison?
Yeah, it's always a really great time coming here. I'm really tired from the sun now.
Yeah,
I need a nap.
We're a little beat up by the sun, so we're getting on home. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye.